on it. Got a bad name on it. Put your name, yes, put your name on it. Name on it. All the sheets, waiting for you on some $1,000 sheets. I got caught at 3 on repeat.
What's up, Diamond Squad? It's your girl Snide Diamonds here, and I'm back again with another video. If this is the first time you're seeing my face on your screen, make sure you guys go ahead and click that subscribe button, smash the like button, turn the bell notification on so you miss anything I post. And last time we posted Diamond Squad, let's go back up right now and give this video a like. And make sure you guys go and watch my videos I posted yesterday. I posted 2 videos yesterday, y'all. My dance video with Beanie Eye, it's like it's 13 seconds. Like literally, just take the time to watch a 13-second video. And then my other video of a product that I was reviewing that a company sent me. Make sure you guys go and watch those, please, cause I give y'all more than enough time to catch up on my videos. I don't know if y'all wasn't aware that I posted yesterday or not, but like I posted videos yesterday. So if you don't mind, take the time and go and watch those videos for me, guys. Give those videos some love, especially the dance video, considering the dance video is only 13 seconds. Like, come on. So yeah, also subscribe to my second channel, guys, Life with Sanaya. It will be in the eye, so make sure you guys go and subscribe to it because I want to start posting on there. So make sure you guys go and subscribe to it. It will be right up there. As you can see, one of my eyebrows are done and the rest of my face just have no makeup on. Today I'm going to be doing basically a eyebrow tutorial. This was requested for me to do. I don't know why, considering that I don't even do my eyebrows good half the time, but y'all wanted it. So I'm giving it to y'all. And on top of that too, the last time I did like an eyebrow video, it was last year, and that was requested too. But I'm telling you, my eyebrows were horrible in that video. Like it was like literally like brick, like. So I guess it's about time for me to do like another one, considering I don't do my eyebrows like that no more. So I already had one done for me, so that I don't. For this video don't be too long. So basically what you would need is the spoolie. I just bend it like this. The spoolie is usually straight like this, but I just bend it like this because I wanted to. And this is a brow product too, but it's finished, but I just used the spoolie for it. And next you would need either the brow pencil or pomade or brow mascara, whichever you prefer to use. Next, what you want to, seriously, alright, so basically what you want to do, I'm going to zoom this up right now, so now I remember to zoom into my face, like, alright, so basically what you want to do is, first you want to take the spoolie, you want to brush your eyebrow hairs. As you can see right here, the way my eyebrows go back is so horrible, like literally over here too. Like I need to get my eyebrows done, so like this is why it'd be hard for me to do my eyebrows good. Like I'm telling you, how I do my eyebrows now is nothing compared to how I used to do my eyebrows. How I first did do my eyebrows were perfect. But yeah, your eyebrows are not supposed to be twins, I heard. It's supposed to be sisters, but half the time I do make them look like, half the time I try to make them look like twins. But anyways, you want to go along the line where your eyebrows are, kind of like you're tracing a little bit, but you're tracing on the outside. So you want to go like this, then you want to do the same on the top. What I used to do is I used to take the spoolie and brush it, but I don't do that no more. But yeah, so what I just do is I do this, and then I bring some hairs right here. You want to keep this part like really light. You don't want to darken it up too much, which I gotta fix this side for that. You don't want to darken it too much, so I'm just doing this. And as you can see, it looks really big, like what the heck is going on, right? Not to worry. So I'm just gonna go back into my spoolie and just brush it. Now what you want to do is take a concealer, any concealer you want. I'm taking my ColourPop concealer, and I'm just going to basically oh shoot, onto my hair. Let me if you can put this back. So you're gonna take the the concealer, and just clean up like the mistakes you made. Also, so in the middle there, and same with here. Clean up the mistakes you made. Like I said, I did my eyebrows too big, so I'm just mostly cleaning that up. I forgot to get the brush that I usually see. Look at how different they're looking right off the bat, just from that concealer. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna kind of put that a little bit light right there. All right, so next, most likely you want to take an angled brush, or you want to take a brush just like this. I like to use a brush like this to blend out the concealers. So you just want to and before y'all ask me like to do a whole beginner's look, I have done that before. I'm gonna just link it in the eye for y'all, just in case you haven't seen that, just in case you want to learn more about makeup and how to apply certain stuff. I'll leave it in the eye because I'm not doing that video over again, because I'm telling you that video was so long. That's why I don't do a full face on camera, because the video just comes out really long, and yeah, so I don't like that. But yeah, this is my eyebrows right now. As you can see, this is why I don't do my eyebrows on camera, because like I struggle so much with my eyebrows. Like I tell you, sometimes my eyebrows come out good, sometimes they don't. It's all because of the way my eyebrows are shaped now. Like I need to get my eyebrows done. But like I said, most likely how to do your eyebrows, just follow the line of your own eyebrows and then fill it in a little bit, and that's basically how you do your brows. But my brows are looking so bad right now, and I don't want to hear in the comment section that, oh, my eyebrows look fine, they're good. No, they're not. I know exactly what I'm talking about, of how I used to do my eyebrows. My old supporters know what I'm talking about, like to like just see the struggles I have to deal with when it comes to brows. Like, this is why I hate doing my brows. Like, I feel like getting them microbladed, but microbladed costs a lot of money to do, so I don't even know. Like, see, this is basically me trying to get them looking identical, which I basically said you're not supposed to be identical, but I just hate when one looks bigger and one looks skinnier. Like, come on. Like, how does this one look? I need to do this. These damn notifications, man. Oh my god. As soon as I start recording, I get mad notifications. I can't even see myself. Alright, y'all. That's my eyebrows. I'm gonna just quickly put my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. I've been loving this foundation lately. It's amazing, honestly. So yeah, let me push this heat more up. But yeah, that's all I'm gonna put on my face for this video. I'm not gonna like put any more. I would post another video today, only if y'all get my other video to 100 views. I will post another video today. If not, I'll post a video tomorrow because I was requested to do a look with the Galactic palette. So yeah. But that's my eyebrow for you. This is this whole tutorial, guys, and this video is probably like 11 minutes long or something, but hey. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, click the notification if you haven't, follow me on my social media, it's in the description box down below. And if you want to do collaboration with me, my email is in the description box. You can email me or you can DM me on Instagram. Also donate to my PayPal, guys. My PayPal link is also in the description box. And yeah, I'll see you guys next video. Bye, guys.